TomatoCityJungle presents How to Grow Giant Juicy Tomatoes, 12 Must-Know Tips for Big Harvests. Grow giant, juicy tomatoes like a pro. Want to grow tomatoes so big they make your neighbors jealous? With a few smart moves and a little love, you'll be picking plump, mouth-watering beauties all summer long. Here's your step-by-step guide to growing the biggest, boldest tomatoes in the garden, even if you're a beginner. Detailed steps. Choose the right variety. Start strong by choosing tomato champs like Beefsteak, Big Boy, or Brandywine. These heavy hitters are bred to grow big and bold. Pick one and prepare for tomato glory. Sunlight equals superpower. Your tomatoes are sun lovers. Give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunshine every single day and watch them thrive like little solar-powered machines. Soil prep. Feed the foundation. Great tomatoes start with great soil. Use rich, well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 6.8. Mix in compost, aged manure, or organic goodies. Your plants will thank you with monster-sized fruit. Spacing is breathing room. Tomatoes hate being crowded. Give them 2 to 3 feet of space to stretch out and soak up sun and fresh air. This helps prevent disease and boosts production. Plant deep for big results. When transplanting, bury that stem up to the first set of true leaves. More stem underground equals more roots, equals stronger, more productive plants. Water like you mean it. Your tomatoes want deep, consistent drinks, about 1.5 to 2 inches per week. Keep the watering steady and avoid soggy soil. Cracked fruit? That's from overwatering. Fertilize smart. Start with a balanced fertilizer, like 10-10-10 for leafy growth. Once fruits begin to show, switch to a phosphorus and potassium-rich feed to pump up the size and flavor. Support for the big, juicy tomato stars. Give those plants a lift. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to support heavy fruit and keep your vines off the dirt. No one wants bruised tomatoes. Prune with purpose. Trim those suckers, literally. Removing side shoots focuses energy on fruit, not foliage. Think of it as your tomato's personal trainer. Mulch for the win. Add straw, wood chips, or mulch around your plants to lock in moisture, stop weeds, and keep roots cozy. Bonus, it looks tidy too. Defend your crop. Keep an eye out for pests and disease. Check leaves, stems, and fruit often and act fast if you spot trouble. Healthy plants equals big, juicy tomatoes. Harvest like a pro. Pick your tomatoes when they're fully colored and just a bit soft. Don't wait too long. Peak flavor doesn't last forever. Subscribing costs nothing ever. Click the like button if you like this, and shop on our Linktree store for supplies. We'd like to hear from you. Don't be shy. Leave a comment with questions or tips and tricks.